Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. The Allen County Sheriff is investigating the abduction of 2 children from Fort Wayne, Indiana. Liliana Hernandez is a 7-year-old white female, 3 feet 4 inches tall with long brown hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a black nightgown. Renee Pastor is a 6-year-old white male, 3 feet tall, short brown hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing black shorts. The children were last seen at 6:21 a.m. in Fort Wayne and are believed to be in extreme danger. Fort Wayne is 125 miles north of Indianapolis. Allen County Sheriff believes the children were likely abducted by their non-custodial mother, Amber Pastor, a 29-year-old white female, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 250 pounds, with long blonde hair. Suspect vehicle is a Mercury Mystique, tan in color. If you have any information on these children, contact the Allen County Sheriff at 260-449-7661.
House. It's your weekend plans.
No one in North Central Montana can
Experience technology. You can count on KRTV, Storm Tracker Weather, Montana's most accurate. You flip, but they flop. You flip, but they flop. Hi, Mark Gill here for the perfect...
Civil authorities in your area have reported that the bodies of the dead are rising from their graves and attacking the living. Follow the messages on screen that will be updated as information becomes available. Do not attempt to approach or apprehend these bodies as they are considered extremely dangerous. I repeat, civil authorities in your area have reported that the bodies of the dead are rising from their graves and attacking the living. Follow the messages on screen that will be updated as information becomes available.